y'all, this is our view. Literally, like, these are all the hotels. Like, our view is literally right here. So pretty. We have this whole balcony. Literally, this whole entire balcony. This is Andrew. This whole balcony is ours. The shit is huge. Why are you about to take a shit?
I don't know.
Wow. So this is the entrance. Bathroom's right here. That's my father. This is a walk-in closet. Apparently we moved in here, you know. Walk-in closet. 2-bed. A little living room. And a kitchen. This is really cute.
Dining table.
Yeah, dining table, but it is a kitchen. You got a kitchen. And the balcony is right over there. This just stink like fucking hell.
But what is that?
Oh my god, the sea stinks. Ew.
Take a break. The fish took a shit. Stop it.
It's so nasty.
Yo, that's
look how this is on nighttime. It's so pretty.
Yo, bro, I don't know if that's a boat or something else.
I don't know. It is a boat. It's over there.
Look at this.
We're literally looking at like outside, where there's like mad lights for no reason.
Like where the light is at pointing at. You see like a boat or not?
You think it's frozen? I can't see.
Oh yeah.
So we out here chilling. Can you see? Okay, you can see me. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Andrew.
Bye, guys.
Post notification shout out goes to Jocelyn. Her Instagram and her channel will be right here, so you can go click and, you know, subscribe and comment. You came from my channel, duh. And I'll be posting another announcement video. Get from the ledge.
I'm not on the ledge.
He wants to die today. We're on the 21st floor. So if you go down, you're gonna go down like a pancake. And I'm gonna be recording it. I'll be like, views. I'm dead as gonna be views. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. And you can see me. That's nice. It's so bright over there. Literally so bright. Over here looks like it looks like another dimension. But yeah, guys, boy. Andrew.
Bye.
Oh, I forgot there's a lighthouse over there. So yeah, bye. Wait, how do you? Okay. Hello. I'ma just